Yabonga speaker, so usheshe uyeda ngisathulungisela kabantwana siyabonga speaker. Mhlambe lokukhona speaker. Yini lenika kulamthethweni lokunika iRS emandla ukuthi willy nilly nje. Nasi ngaphuma sonke labo somabhizinisi uthi ufika ngaphandle ukhansi account yakho ifreeziwe. Maswati akhala ngaloko nyathi willy nilly nje ngendlela tsanza ngayo. Mosibo somabhizinisi nyalo lokubabulalako akusiyimali lebayikweleta iRS ma penalties ukhansi somabhizinisi ukweleta 500,000 but iRS athi kufuna bhadale 2 million yini le penalties angathi bahlonishwa mina bengingacela ukuthi njengoba lapha ku iRS nangabe ubelow 500,000 shothi ke iVAT mhlamba uyithatha kube necap yalapho ukuthi nase kubekwe labo 25 rand njoba sitaguqula sikubeke 25 rand kusukela lapha ku 50 nasikubeka lapho sithi nafika mhlambe ku 10 20,000 kume bese iRS uyakuhambela uyakubuka ukuthi ngoba lokuthi kupheka kukhuphuka kubulala amaswati kanti umthetho siushayela ukuthi uprotect lamaswati 25 nafaka 20 lo mvuvela kachamuka kutobhadala senda njani seniyafika kanjalo nangabe kusek over 500,000 nalapho kube necap yakhona because we are trying to protect lamaswati nengicela lokho bahlonishwa futhi sakuyekela namuhla utawujuba lonke luswati alisilo ukubulala luswati lokushaya ukuthi uunderstand uyathi ngonile la nangisoma business uthola less than 50,000 bakushaya nga 10,000 luswati lolo because the economy vele isilimale mina ngiyanicela bahlonishwa we need to be a compliant citizens when it comes to issues of tax but we don't have to use the tax which is frustrate emaswati. Number one, let us cap it to 25. Let us say 25 and cap it somewhere for those below 500,000 and let us cap it somewhere for those beyond 500,000. I plead, Batlonish, once we miss this opportunity, there is no other opportunity for Emaswati. Ngiyabonga speak.